Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Judy here, and I'm back here with another video. Yes, I'm back here with another video, and I'd just like to say thank you to all my loyal subscribers, and to my new ones, welcome. So today I'll be showing you how to create this amazing flawless base that I have on, and I will be styling my hair. I used the crimper. I don't know how I feel about it, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of, I think it's all right, I guess. Maybe it's the hair color. What do you guys think? Anyway, if you want to see this, keep watching. I love you all. Okay, guys, so to create this a flawless base, I will be using NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. To create that flawless base, you need to moisturize. Moisturizing is key. You need to moisturize your skin to keep it nice and hydrated. And then obviously a primer. I'll be using the Tom Ford Illuminating Primer. So let's put a little bit on my skin. So I'm going to put a little bit on. Okay, so I'm going to apply the foundation. A few squirts. And I'll be using my MOCHI. So by using... Let's start again. So I'll be using my MOCHI sponge. It's a bit ill right now because I haven't washed it for a few days. Just a couple days. I will be washing it though. This is the MOCHI sponge that I'm talking about. So it's from LANA'S beauty box. This is my brand. Don't know if you guys can see. Am I meant to see that? I'm joking. But yeah, this is the spongy. They come 4 in a pack for £15, I think. But it's on the website. I will link it down below. So using the MOCHI sponge, these work amazing when they're damp. So please damp them before you use it if you want to get that good base. So just blend it out, blend it out. Like, look already. How flawless is my skin looking already, guys? Like, stop it. Okay, so for concealer, I'll be using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. Yeah, it's all rubbed out because I've rinsed it out. It's actually finished. Anyway, okay, we still got enough in there. We got enough. This can work. Okay, so I always like my concealer to sit for a few minutes so that it blends out nicely. So I will be using the beauty blender from LANA'S beauty box. Again, that's it in the packaging. You can get on the website. I will link it down below. So this one has a tip, so it's easy to get into the little corners, as you can see. And just look how beautiful this blends. So seamless, darling. So seamless. What more could you ask for? To contour, I'll be using the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown. So I'm going to use the bottom part of my beauty blender, because I feel like when you put it on straight up, guys, I'm so sorry, my daughter is in the background screaming her head off, but she's fine. She's talking to her friends. I feel like when you put it straight on your face, it gives you that muddy effect, and you want it to just blend out nice and smooth. So that's why I like to take the product off the stick like that, and then place it on and blend it. Looks so much better, don't you think? Okay, now I'm going to set my under eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Yes, guys, this pot is bigger than your average. I got this. This is a limited edition one. I'm so proud of myself that I got it. But yeah, that's it there. So I'm just going to place some of this under my eyes to set, because you girls know, those that know that Laura Mercier does the job. She does the trick. So let's place some under the eyes. Yes. Okay. And this side as well. Okay, just to set everything. Then the part we contoured with the foundation stick, the opal, black opal, I'm going to be using Studio Fix powder in the shade NW58 just to set it. So wherever you've used a cream or liquid, it's always good to set if you want it to last long and you want that flawless base, baby. Listen, I didn't come to play, I came to slay. If you guys are with me, stick with me. I will never lead you astray. Did you guys like that? Anyway, so I'm going to use MAC mineralized powder in the shade Dark Deepest just to set my foundation. So wherever you put your foundation is where you set with this powder. Okay, honey? And then I usually use the brush to just like dust off my translucent powder. My hair's everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna add some blush. I'll be using MAC mineralized MAC blusher. It's called Raisin. This is my favorite. This is my go-to blusher. Okay, so I decided to crimp my hair. I've never tried it on this hair, but it seems to be doing a really good job. So yes. Ooh. Looks all right. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys loved it. Like I said, I will put the products in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.